My bag is zipped. We're ready for the beach.
Yay! Let's build a big sandcastle.
Oh, the sun is shining brightly today. We love to laugh and clap and play by the sea.
Wow!
I am putting the sand in the bucket. Look, a perfect tower. Wow, our castle is amazing. Splashing and running, having such fun, chasing the waves in the warm, shining sun. Walking on the beach today, looking for shells along the way.
Look, a shiny one for me.
Both kids are walking on the shore carrying small baskets. The girl picks up a shiny shell and smiles.
We fold the mat, 1, 2, 3. Time to pack our toys, you see. The sun is...
Goodbye, ocean. See you soon.